Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super handy WhatsApp feature that is going to make your life so much easier. Ever received a voice message but couldn't listen to it right away? Well, WhatsApp now lets you read voice message transcripts, and this video I'll show you exactly how to enable and use this feature. So let's get started. First thing first, what are voice message transcripts? These features convert your voice message into text so you can read them instead of listening. It is perfect for when you are in meeting, in a noisy place, or just don't feel like playing audio out loud. But keep in mind, this feature is currently available only in English and on iOS devices. Sorry Android users, hopefully it's coming to you back. So how you can enable it? What you need to do is open WhatsApp. So let me search my number. I don't want to send these messages to anyone else, so I will search my number, and here I will send a voice message to my number. For example, subscribe to my channel, buddy, subscribe to my channel. So now when you hold on it, nothing shows up here and not a transcribe icon here. What you need to do is go back. At right bottom side you will see the settings icon. Click on this, then go down here, search for chats, click on chats, and here you will see voice message transcripts. Enable this option, then click on choose language. I will select English, and here you will see English United States. Click on this, click on change to English, go back, then click on chats. I will go to my number and just click and hold on it, and here you will see transcribe, and here you can see subscribe to my channel, and it convert that audio message into transcribe. Now before we wrap up, here are a few things you need to keep in mind. This feature works only for English voice messages. It is currently available only on iOS devices. The transcript might not be 100% accurate, especially if the audio quality is poor or there is a background noise. But overall, it is a fantastic tool to save time and stay connected without missing a bit. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and use voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this feature and how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.